Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the phone and unplugging the charger, safety first. Once done, place the device on a non-conductive mat and remove any case. This exposes screws and ports. Use a suitable screwdriver to open the base. Make sure to keep screws organized in a tray and photograph connector positions so you remember orientation. You'll test contacts with a multimeter later, so keep it handy. This gets you into the chassis quickly, without losing track of parts or alignment. You now disconnect the battery connector to avoid shorts, then unclip the charging flex cable. Do this gently to avoid tearing. Next, remove the old charging module or port assembly. Note any adhesive or retention tabs and take them off with a pry tool. Once the old part is out, position the replacement, align pins and pads, and press clips until you hear or feel a click. Make sure connectors sit flat. A misaligned flex causes intermittent charging, so double-check fit before reassembly. You finish by reconnecting the battery and reassembling the case in reverse order. Tighten screws to finger tight and avoid over-torque. Once closed, plug in a known good charger and observe charging indicators. Then use a multimeter to confirm roughly 5V at the port and check charging current. If it fails, make sure connectors are seated, inspect solder joints, and try a different cable. These are the most common issues. If still unresolved, document symptoms and consider professional repair to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.